Hello, New World History students. My name is Miss Wall, and I am going to be your World History Honors teacher for the 2020-2021 school year. I'm going to try to use this space right quick to show you how we're going to learn together and just tell you a little bit about me to help you navigate through the course as we go. I'll do the rest as the year progresses. But right now, this is starting my fourth year at POB, my sixth year in Charlotte on a whole, and my 25th year of teaching. Miss Wall is adding some years up there in the educational system. I decided to let you know that not only do I teach you history, but I also enjoy science, biology particularly, and I enjoy English to the utmost. In fact, I spent 17 years in Stanley County being an English teacher to the point where I have become a published poet. I've been in college at Western Carolina University way back in the old days, and that was one of my majors. I was a professional writing student, to be honest. And right now, I am your teacher. I'm also the mom of my wonderful daughter, HK Wall. And in fact, she is the reason why I'm in Charlotte in the first place. When she was 11 years old, she was approached by a director and they told her to come to Northwest School of the Arts. I didn't really know much about the school at that time, and I honestly ignored it, but continued doing theater and being her manager while she did theater as well. Well, eventually in 2014, we actually applied and got into it, and she was accepted, and that is how I left Stanley County to come to Charmec. She is currently, right now, a junior who is seeking to get her Bachelor of Fine Arts degree in musical theater, also at Western Carolina University. What I have here on this screen is just a few little glimpses and sites that tell you a little bit about myself. So this is HK. That's my daughter. That's her headshot, Hannah Catherine. And like I said, she goes by HK. And then here's a funny little picture of us at last Christmas with our little pet at PB. Her name is Pearl Blaze, but we go by PB. And yes, I look kind of silly, and my looks change as we go. But down here, you'll see some clips from Western Carolina. You'll see one clip from the Wild Goose Poetry Review where I had one of my poems published. That poem was entitled Baby Sounds, and it was actually written for HK when she was small. This next picture is a picture of one of the theater productions I did in Salisbury at Piedmont Players, known as The Color Purple. That's me right there in the blue, and I played one of the church ladies and one of the soloists. In another video, it's just more evidence of me being at Western Carolina, and this final clips down here at the bottom are clips of HK's demos and some events that she did this quarantine. It's called Quarantine Concerts. This is one of her first book movie reels that she did. And here is her demo video. But I wanted to show you that not only am I a published poet, I'm also in charge of Philip O'Berry's Poetry Spoken Word Club. That club is entitled Berry Spits. We actually did a recital during the pandemic because we were actually supposed to do a full recital, but as you guys already know, COVID happened and we had to put everything to the back burner, but we still were able to do our event. This right here just shows you who our president, vice president, and secretary are. And our treasurer just graduated, so we will be looking for a new officer as we start this new school year. But no, guys, that again, that's just a clip. I'll save the best for last as we go through the week. I'm looking forward to hearing what you have to tell me this week about who you are. And without further ado, there's a remind that I have. There's your class that'll be on Canvas. I like to communicate through email. The the fastest for me. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to hearing from you and just sharing your wisdom, sharing your skills. I hope you enjoy our first little getting to know you assignment, and you'll see that on August 17th. Thank you so much for listening. Hopefully, I haven't bored you into oblivion, but I look forward to teaching you history this year virtually. Be blessed.